Hi, in front of me is Oppo Reno5 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this Oppo device. Start by opening settings and clicking on personalizations. Over here, go into wallpapers, pick one of these sources like live ones and pick the one that you like the best. I will go with that one. Now click on this button over here and go back. Then you can click on Always on Display, pick one of the options for gadget on your lock screen and tap Apply. Go back again, choose Icon Styles and over here you can pick one of these ones by clicking on the chosen ones and going back. You can also tap on Custom and pick shape of your icons and size of them. When you're done, you can go back, choose App Layout and select numbers of columns and rows. Then click on Fingerprint Style and choose one of the available animations. Go back again, click on Colors and pick one of the solid ones by clicking on one of those and tapping Apply. You can also pick our color scheme, I will go with that one, and choose Apply as well. Then click on Font and Display Size and over here you can pick style of your font by clicking on one of these options, scroll down and select Font Size and Display Size. Then choose Apply again, click on Notification True and select Shape of icons in your tab menu. Then you can go back again and finally click on Edge Lightning. Over here click on Notifications received when screen is off, select one of the colors, like that one, and go back. Now when I click Home button, I can see that theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!